equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on addressing the magnetic sensor warranty issue for the Lenovo X1 Carbon. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and potentially resolve the problem. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the right tools at hand. You will need a Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. These tools will help you safely open the device and access the internal components without causing damage. Begin by powering off your Lenovo X1 Carbon and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any electrical damage. Once powered down, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Using the Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the magnetic sensor. It is typically situated near the hinge area of the laptop. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the sensor using the compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that may be affecting its performance. If you notice any loose connections, gently reattach them. If the sensor appears damaged or if you're unsure about the next steps, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice without any commitment to repair. Once you've checked the connections, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws using the Torx screwdriver, securing the panel tightly but not overly so, as this could strip the screws. After reassembly, power on your Lenovo X1 Carbon and test the magnetic sensor functionality. If the issue persists, it may be time to consider professional help. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is designed for your convenience, allowing you to avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Before any repair, we provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency ensures you can make informed decisions about your device's care. In summary, we've covered the essential steps to diagnose and address the magnetic sensor issue in your Lenovo X1 Carbon. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle this problem effectively. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.